All right, basic physics. This is your jigsaw activity looking at the electromagnetic spectrum. You'll be given or assigned a portion of the spectrum, and you're going to have to kind of go through and do a little bit of research. Now, it's what you have to do with the research afterwards that this video is really for. So first of all, you're going to do your research and you're going to create a Google slide. I kind of set up an example slide. So visible light is the one that's set up. You can see that we're not allowing you to have a lot of text on the slide. We want to limit you to just kind of some images. So I've picked out 3 images for myself to do. So I've got this one right here. So I just picked out 3 slides. You can include also the range of wavelength, frequency, and energy. So there's my frequency range, my wavelength range, and my energy range. I did convert these. You do want to have these all in the same unit, so frequency needs to be in hertz. And because of that, I ended up with some scientific notation. So we'll go over how to do kind of scientific notation as well. The wavelength was given. I wanted to make sure that's in meters, and so that one's the one that's in meters. And then we have our energy given in electron volts. So again, make sure that you're watching your units and that you're showing this, because everybody's going to have to collect this information in the end. So now it's down to, I've got my research, okay, in my hand, and I wanted to actually do a little bit of a presentation. And so this is going to be done as a voice recording. So you're going to need to go to this website, and I'm going to put the link in there. And this is to record what you're going to say and create a file for it. So you'll just click on this button and you'll then record that. So you can see I went through, clicked the record, and I recorded mine. It actually came out to be about a little over a minute. You may not be that far along with yours, but it is the sound that we've got, and I did just click save so that it gave me my recording, and it looks like my recording came in as an MP3 down here. So I just need to find out where that is. Okay, and it's in my downloads folder. So now I'm just going to go ahead and attach that. So under my slide, I'm going to go ahead and insert audio. And now I just need to find that audio. And it should be... Oh, I need to upload it first, so we're going to have to upload this into my drive. So I'm going to go into my drive, and I'm going to add a new file upload, find my voice recording, open that, and so it's going ahead and uploading that. So it says my upload is complete. So now I can go back in and insert my audio. And let's see if I can find it. Okay, it looks like it is not there. I'm going to pause here. Alright, I was able to find my file here. It just took a moment to process. I'm going to go ahead and select it, and it is now creating that sharing on. Okay, it's going to create a nice little speaker up here at the very top corner so that I can then play that audio. Okay, this is the visible light spectrum, and you can see that we are looking at it from the point of view of Isaac. And so there's my audio file that goes along with my slide. So when you're done, your slide will look like this, and you will then be done with the project up to this point. Now the next stage is to actually go back and do the summary of this. And so you're going to get a file that's going to look like this. You'll type in your ranges. Okay, so the ranges can get typed in. You'll add in your uses and historical information. And then you'll have a nice summary sheet for the entire electromagnetic spectrum. I hope this helps, and we will see you in class.